Second content, system requirements for AutoCAD 2017 software. System requirements are nothing but in the sense the configuration of the system computer which we require for having our AutoCAD software installation and running in a smooth manner. Operating system, Microsoft Windows 10, 8.1 or 7, CPU type 1 GHz, 32-bit or 64-bit. Memory for 32-bit OS we need 2 GB RAM, but recommended is 3 GB, but we can go ahead with 2 GB if required. For 64-bit OS 4 GB RAM minimum and 8 GB is recommended for smooth running. Display resolution 1360 by 768 with true color. Disk space, installation space should be 6 GB minimum. Pointing device, we should compulsorily have our MS mouse for having smooth software operating exercises. Browser, .NET Framework, Toolclips Media Player and Adobe Flash Player. These are also software required which make us to run our software very smoothly, AutoCAD 2017 software very smoothly. Next, third content, opening AutoCAD 2017. AutoCAD 2017 is designed to work in a Windows operating system. In general, to open AutoCAD 2017, double click on the AutoCAD shortcut in the Windows desktop. Once a software is installed, this A symbol AutoCAD will be appearing on your desktop. You can double click it or right click it for opening that. After opening AutoCAD 2017 software, it will take time minimum to open a screen. First, when AutoCAD 2017 is opened, the start page appears giving access to recent drawings, system information and start drawing button. We are supposed to click on the new start drawing button. After starting a new drawing, a new window is shown depending upon whether a 3D basics, a 3D modeling or a drafting and annotation software has been set as Q new in the options dialog. Right, I will show you where how it will be in the next scene. In this example, the drafting and annotation workspace is shown and includes the ribbon with tool panels. As I said, I am giving you example of this drafting and annotation workspace. See, this is the start page when you open it. As I said, once you double click on the shortcut of AutoCAD 2017 software on desktop, it will open for a while and it will display this screen. In the left side, to get started, it will give a start drawing option followed by open files, open a sheet set, get more templates, explore sample drawings. Here recent documents, here notifications from the Autodesk. All this is the main screen which we will be appear when you open it. Once it is open, right, by selecting the start drawing or by clicking by clicking here on start drawing button new one on this page, it will be moving to this dialog box which is nothing but the drafting annotation space. Drafting annotation space, you can see many number of toolbars are available here. We will see one by one in detail because you have to get the knowledge of all the toolbars which are available in the space. So one by one we will see from the top left corner. First one, application toolbar, where we will get the general information of all the software. Next you can see quick access toolbar, about few buttons which are shortcuts which used for easy access of the software. Quick access toolbar. Next you can see title bar. Title bar gives us information about software, drawing name on which we are working. All this can be seen in the title bar. Next, panels as ribbon, which is very important. These panels are line, right, draw, modify, annotation, layers, properties, groups. All these things we will discuss one by one. For I will brief you how to start them, how to use them, where to apply them. Next, if you can see here, communication toolbar. Communication toolbar is nothing but we will be registering to Autodesk company website and we will be given a username. When you are working with the internet connection, that name will be displayed here. Last here, Windows controls. This is very general one where we will be using on Windows closing, minimizing, making short, etc. These three buttons. Coming to next, below in the workspace you can see navigation cube. cube is no, something six squares, right? Shape, solid shape. Here you can see this shape is used for viewing the exercises or the drafting in different styles, right from the top side, bottom side, right side, left side, top side view, bottom side view, right side view, left side view. All these can be happening with the help of this navigation cube. Coming to the bottom clockwise, here I'm showing here status bar. Status bar is nothing but you can see the points here like a graph sheet representation at 0 0 10 10 20 20. If we are using here three-dimensional, means if you go for x y z 0 0 0 10 10 10, all these point locations will be shown here at status bar. Model, other model, nothing but background which is black, but layouts, templates, all information can be seen here at this page. And these are the settings. I will explain what are the things which you can find here. Coming to towards left side, model or layout tab, sorry, model or layout tab here left side gives about tabs of model, layout 1, layout 2. Where it is used, I will explain further. Command window, you can see here command window. As I said, AutoCAD software is based on command prompts, using commands. What are the commands, how you have to use them, where you have to use them, all can be typed here, and I will explain how to use them. Next, above that we have UCS icon, Universal Coordinate Systems, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. If it is two-dimensional, we should have only two axes, x and y. If it is three-dimensional, x, y, z. How to use it, where to use it, I will explain it. Next, coming to this view controls. View controls means from where we are viewing our drawing, whatever the drawing which we are doing in the AutoCAD software, from where we are doing, either taking the view from the top, left, right, etc., etc. These controls. If you click on this, we will have a pop-up and we can see there. Here, next one is 2D wireframe visual styles. Visual styles, if it's a building, we will have wireframe, solid model, right? It's very useful in doing three-dimensional buildings and three-dimensional machine parts. We'll come to know about when we do a practical example on that. Next, in center, you can see crosshair, like this plus symbol, which is having very peculiar meaning in the AutoCAD software, called as crosshair by name. Center circle is called as pick box. Total it's called as graphics cursor. This is used for picking up the end point, starting point, end point, middle point, etc., etc., etc. See, this is the third content opening up AutoCAD 2017, the drafting annotation space, how it looks.